Hello. Day 3, more or less all done, especially with the weather being with me again. I've done everything that needs doing outside. As I told you, I don't clip the chickens' wings, so I have this mesh, just, you know, communal garden mesh that goes on top, so that if they get on anywhere, they can't fly out. Because I did have that the other year. One of them jumped on the hutch and then flew over the fence. So that's why I've got the mesh there. It's in 2 strips. It's in 2 strips, and I've just joined them with cable ties. Can't find any more cable ties, so what I'm probably going to do is just stitch them together. Hand stitch them all the way along, running stitch. And there's a fence now across the front next to their new coop, and yes, I have fence painted notes the back of the shed, because I'm not going to be able to get there with the chickens around. I'll end up with brown chickens, and I'm hoping to get white actually. But this shows you from the front, and there's the hutch, the compost bin, the wires all in place. Mason can't get in there, chickens won't be able to get out. I haven't yet done the nest box, but Mason, move. I have found this container needs cleaning out and everything, but I'm going to put a front on it and make it into a drawer, so I can just come out here, open it up, collect the eggs. So that's all sorted. I've got my bay tree here as well. But that's it. Day 3 done. There's just bits, making the nest box drawer and sewing the netting together, and that's it. I'm all ready for chickens. If the chickens came in the next couple of minutes, I'm ready for them. Yay! I'm going to take the rest of the week off though. I need a rest. Leach has helped an awful lot. Mason's digging around with things he's found. Leach has helped an awful lot, but it's been a lot of hard work for me. It's hurt me knee an awful lot. So, thank you. Bye.
It's a